She's like, I'm really close to the fire. I don't know if the marshmallow's worth it. Is the marshmallow worth it?
Are you gonna get it, Princess?
She got one out. We took the whole face in the bag. And she took off running.
Princess, get it!
She's like, I don't know about that.
Do you need help? Here. Here. Look at.
Get the marshmallow. Get it. Oh, she got the marshmallow.
Are you gonna eat it? Don't. No. No. Carry it off. Go. Carry it off. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Are you eating it? Go carry it away. It's funny. Okay, we're ending.